Salesforce can connect to IoT, Internet of Things, devices through various methods, allowing organizations to collect, analyze, and act upon data generated by these devices. Here are some common approaches to connect Salesforce to IoT devices. IoT Cloud. Salesforce provides a dedicated IoT platform called Salesforce IoT Cloud, which is designed to handle large-scale IoT data and integrate it with Salesforce applications. IoT Cloud enables you to connect and manage IoT devices, ingest data, and automate actions based on that data. Platform events. Salesforce platform events allow you to publish and subscribe to events, including events generated by IoT devices. Devices can publish events to Salesforce, and Salesforce can subscribe to these events to process and take actions. RESTful APIs. Many IoT devices support RESTful APIs for data communication. You can create Apex classes or use Salesforce External Services feature to define a RESTful API in Salesforce that can be consumed by IoT devices for data exchange. Streaming API. Salesforce Streaming API allows for real-time communication and can be used to push data from IoT devices to Salesforce. Devices can publish events to a streaming channel, and Salesforce can subscribe to that channel to receive and process the data. Integration platforms. Use integration platforms like MuleSoft, Boomi, or other middleware solutions to connect Salesforce with IoT devices. These platforms provide pre-built connectors and tools to facilitate communication between Salesforce and various IoT protocols. Custom integration. Develop custom integrations using Apex code to handle the communication between Salesforce and IoT devices. This may involve creating custom RESTful services, Apex triggers, or scheduled jobs to process and store data from IoT devices. MQTT protocol. Salesforce supports the MQTT, Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, protocol commonly used in IoT applications. You can use MQTT to establish bidirectional communication between Salesforce and MQTT-enabled IoT devices. Platform I/O and other libraries. For devices that support microcontroller platforms like Arduino or Raspberry Pi, you can leverage libraries such as Platform I/O to facilitate communication with Salesforce using RESTful APIs or other protocols. External objects. Use external objects in Salesforce to represent data stored outside of Salesforce, such as IoT data in external databases. You can create relationships between these external objects and standard Salesforce objects. Authentication and security. Ensure proper authentication and security measures are in place, such as using OAuth to secure the communication between Salesforce and IoT devices. When implementing IoT connectivity with Salesforce, consider the specific requirements of your IoT devices, the volume and velocity of data, and the desired actions or analytics you want to perform within Salesforce. Always refer to the latest Salesforce documentation for the most up-to-date information on IoT integration capabilities.